Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Nino. Today I'm going to be doing some lollipop chicken. And what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using chicken wings. And as you know, there are two parts to the wings. There's actually the winglet. There's this piece as well as this. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to be forming these into lollipops. And it's going to make it real easy when you're having like some sort of dinner party. All you do is you grab your wing. As you can tell, there are two bones in here. There's a larger one and a smaller one. Okay, so what you want to do is just pretty much detach the smaller one. And how you do that is you cut through as well as you try to remove all the meat from around the bone. Once you have a hold of the bone, the small piece, you just got to push down on it, okay? And it will just rip all the meat right off. What you can't rip off, you just kind of pull down, you twist it, you find a joint, get your fingers in there, find the joint. If you're unable to do that, just get your knife and just kind of help you along, removing any kind of excess meat that's left on there. And then you just detach the bone. There we go. Once you detach that, you want to find an insert into the large piece and just kind of put your knife, the tip of your knife up against the bone and go all the way around till you can dislodge all the meat from the bone. All right. Once you have it all dislodged, then you just grab a hold of it from the top, push your finger down along the bone, and you'll push all the meat down to the bottom. Okay, you have that. You just kind of pull it inside out, and there you go. You have a lollipop chicken wing. Once you fry that, at a cocktail party, it's very easy to just grab a hold of that and chomp away. Now for the different variations, they only have the single bone, so you just want to just get your knife along the top, as close to the top as possible, just below the knuckle, and just go around and around and around. Once you do that, it will free up the meat from the bone. Then you just grab a hold, slide down, okay, slide the meat down, and just try to turn it inside out. Look at that. And there we go. Voila, done. That's your lollipop. Once again, let's demonstrate that again. So we've got one here that's got a double bone. All right, you want to get in, separate the small bone from the large, and get all the meat. Just kind of scrape the meat along the bone. And this one, remember, this is the one we want to just pop right out. So once you push all the meat down, it just pops off. Get the tip of your knife, go back to the top of the original, and try to peel the meat and detach the meat from the bone. You gotta use the tip of your knife. Best way to get it done. Once you have all the meat separated, you gotta be careful you don't cut yourself. Then you just gotta push the meat down right along the bone. And then here we go. Turn it inside out. And look at that. This way we can utilize both pieces of the chicken when we're doing this. Okay, so I will continue preparing and we'll show you the next step after this. So now I've got all my lollipop chicken all done, all prepared. I'm going to be adding my seasoning to it. And to this, I'm going to add a little bit of, just a touch of soy sauce. Okay. Some people call that a touch. Some people call that more than a touch. I'm going to add to that some onion powder. As well as some garlic powder. Get it nice and seasoned. Add a little salt. And I like to put a little bit of sesame seed oil on there just for a little extra flavor. And I'm also going to add some chili oil, and that too is gonna give it a bit of heat and a bit of flavor. And of course, we've got some black pepper here. Take that off. All right, and now it's all seasoned. I'm gonna get my oil together, get my oil all set up in my pan, and get ready to deep fry them. So we're all set with our lollipop chickens. We've got our oil. It's just a vegetable oil heated in our pan here, and it's roughly at about 160 degrees right now. So I'm gonna just start dropping them in one by one and get them nice and crispy, nicely cooked, and ready. All right, here we go. You might have to just help it along just to kind of ensure that the lollipop formation is still in place, as some of them tend to want to go back and reverse into the inner out type of formation. This one here, just gotta help it along. And we'll just slowly just submerge it in the oil. Don't want to overcrowd my pan, so I'm probably going to do this in a couple of different batches. Alright, I'm just going to get that going. And I think we should be okay with putting that amount in there for now. Simple.
So what type of sauce we have here?
Well, right now we've got our lollipop chicken all done. We've got a sweet and sour chicken sauce here with a bit of chili oil, and we've also got our barbecue chicken, or barbecue sauce.
All right, nice. I'm going to dig in. I'm going to try the sweet and sour option. Cheers.
Oh, you're a real pinky.
Tender. Yeah, flavorful.
It must be awfully delicious, because I can hear your mouth from all the way over here.
Giving a round of applause to the chef.
All right, gotta like that. You did a double dip, didn't you? I think it's a wrap. So guys, if you like the episode and you'd like to see more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.
This lollipop chicken, when you take a mouthful, it tastes so good. This is very good. This type of cooking, a chicken leg, is very good because you see, you can hold the bone. And the meat is so delicate and lovely that you eat the bone